exactly the way she'd hoped, everything turned out perfectly perfect. Woo!
This is a test of the Emergency Alert System. This broadcast originates from the Los Angeles Emergency Operations Center, where the response to major emergencies is managed. Many broadcasters have agreed to deliver Emergency Alert System warnings that will help you understand what has happened and what you need to do. When you hear a real Emergency Alert System broadcast, you should immediately tune to a source of broadcast news for Los Angeles County. This concludes the test of the Emergency Alert System.
The McDonald County Sheriff's Office has issued an Amber Alert for a child abduction that occurred at 67 Johnson, Southwest City, Missouri on July 9, 2020 at 8:52 a.m. Abducted was Samuel Padron, white, male, age 4. Abducted was Genesis Padron, white, female, age 8. Suspect vehicle is a red 2009 Ford Flex bearing Missouri registration RA1J1L. Vehicle last seen in an unknown direction of travel. Suspect is Hilda Melendez, a white, female, 35, 5 feet 3 inches tall, 130 pounds, has brown hair and brown eyes. The suspect is a non-custodial parent that assaulted the female that was watching the children and took them from the residence. The vehicle could also be occupied by the suspect's mother Betty. They are possibly en route to the country of Mexico. Recent statements made indicate the children are in danger. Please call 911 or McDonald County Sheriff's Office at 417-223-4318 if you have any information pertaining to this alert.
I even put on Patsy. It's the
The St. Joseph Police Department has issued an Amber Alert for a child abduction that occurred at 6216 Promenade Lane, St. Joseph, Missouri on March 15, 2021 at 3:37 p.m. Abducted was Mia Latour, white, female, age 2. Suspect vehicle is a white 2013 GMC Acadia bearing Missouri registration EF1S3 Guaranese. Vehicle/suspect last seen unknown. Suspect is Amber Dawn Polachek, a white, female, 32, 5 feet 1 inches tall, 110 pounds, has brown hair and green eyes. Last seen wearing unknown. Suspect is Jeremiah Latour, a white, male, 29, 5 feet 10 inches tall, 165 pounds, has brown hair and brown eyes. Last seen wearing unknown. The male suspect forced entry into the child's home with 2 other unknown males and took the child by force. He is armed with an unknown type weapon. Please call 911 if you have any information pertaining to this alert.